So right now, when you look at the TP-Link, as I show the TP-Link here. When you want to open the TP-Link, this is what I entered. So this is the TP-Link. This is the interface of the TP-Link. So that is the IP address I'm using here. This is the IP address of the TP-Link. So what I've done is I've connected the server to the TP-Link, and I've given this IP address to the server. So if you want to test whether it's able to connect to the TP-Link, my machine, this is the machine I'm using right now, is laptop that I'm using. And it has this IP address, which is connected to the TP-Link. And this one, I have SIM card in it, which is the Vodafone SIM. Vodafone SIM. I have Vodafone SIM right now in it. So that is, if you want to check this Vodafone SIM, you go and then you can check. This is what I have here. So this is the Huawei Vodafone. So you can enter the password here. So this is the Vodafone SIM. This is what I have here. And that is the IP address. Okay. So right now, what I have done, I've connected this laptop with this IP address to the TP-Link. So it's able to access this router because I've connected another cable at the back of the TP-Link router to this Vodafone. So this Vodafone is accessing the internet. So let's look at the internet here. So this Vodafone is accessing the internet. So let's look at this one is accessing the internet. So all these machines are able to access the internet through this Vodafone router. So if I want to check if this server is active, I can use this machine to test this one and see. This is where I went to CMD, which is the command prompt. I want to check again. So I want to check again with the laptop, which is this laptop IP address. I want to test whether this one is still active on the network. So what I have to do is ping 192.168.0.200, enter. So you can see there is connection. The moment you have 0% loss, it means that the connection was successful. You have 4 packets here. So let me minimize this. So I have another machine, which is for now. Now is using this machine right now. She's working on the machine right now. That is one of my workers. So I can send her a message with this right now. Hi, can you check the IP address of the machine you are using? So I'm sending her a message with the IP messenger. You can see. So anytime you send a message, I can double click on this one. And then you see the message I've sent here. See, so See, so you can see the message I've sent here. You can see reply. Message I've sent here. Click on this one. So what I have here, modify header, modify message, whatever. So you can see the when you click on modify, you can see host name. This is the name of the computer she's using, username. You can see IP address she's using. This is the IP address. So the IP address assigned is, you see, this is 5.192.168.0.5. So if I want to check if it is true that that is the IP address she's using, then I can say ping C. So I just pasted this in, then enter. So it requires timer, meaning that either the machine is not active right now or there is no proper connection. So I want to check again, refresh this one. So let me go there again. So let me open the user history. Okay, let me open the vlog. So I think she has replied me here. This is the desktop or what please. So this is the message she has replied right now. Let me confirm again. I want to confirm again. So this is the IP address she is using. I want to do that again and check if that is truly the IP address. So that is what I want to do it again. So it's still not going through, but yet I can send a message. So sometimes when this happens, it means that you either have to go and find out from that machine, is it 100% lost? Meaning that I sent her 4 packets and then received 0 packet. So lost 4. So it means that there wasn't any connection. Let me do it again. So we still have problem. So what I have to do right now is to go to the machine and check the IP address again, whether that is truly the IP address. So I'm going just a minute. Ah, so I just went to check the IP address. That is the IP address for that machine. So when it happened that way, you think and so it's not going through. It means that so I'm doing it again. Yeah, it's saying request timer. So it's not going through. So when it's happening like this, then what to do is you have to switch, restart the machine, or you go and restart the router because the router cannot, even though she's able to send me a message. When you check this, she's able to send me a message. She, she can send me a message, but yes, so when I think here, it doesn't go through. So I mean, you have to do troubleshooting, network troubleshooting. So when you look at this, let me do another one. So this is now so we have now this is 5. So this is 5. This is also connected to the TP link. So if I have this one is connected to the TP link using the Wi-Fi. So this is the Wi-Fi, or in other words, it has a wireless card in it, so it's able to accept my laptop. So this one is, let me do it working link so that we understand the concept well. So let me use working one, going to use working one to indicate wireless. Going to use working one to indicate wireless. So it means that this one is using wireless to connect to this. This machine is also laptop. This server is laptop. So I'm going to also indicate working link, meaning Wi-Fi. Okay. This machine is desktop. You can see desktop. So desktop has the cable. So it's connected through cable. This one is connected to cable. I have another, the secretary's machine is also a desktop. So this is, so this is also secretary. Secretary machine is also a desktop. So if you want to check, let me, okay, if you want to check, this is secretary, but the machine is not on. So you can see this one is gray, like it's not active. This is the laptop. This is Lina desktop. You can see desktop here. So I'm going to connect this one. And I'm going to switch on this machine to that to be active right now. So it means that we have two cables connected today. So we are left with only one cable here. So we have 4 ports. One is connected to this, two connected to, so we are left with the last one, which is Juanita. You can see another person is here. This is Juanita. It's also a desktop. So we're going to connect this one. This is desktop. And this machine is for Juanita. So let me put Juanita. So you connect this one, connect this one to this machine. So this machine, I'm going to switch on secretary's machine, and then we check the IP address of this machine. Okay, so I'll switch on the next machine. So let me see. Okay, I just switch on. Let's wait for it to. Okay, so it seems it's strong, but it has to be active right now. So now it's active. You can see it's active. So let's check the IP address of this machine. I want to check the IP address of this machine. So, um, so IP address of this machine. So you can see this is IP address of this machine. So the secretary is having this IP address. It is 4. So right now we have this is 3, 4, 5. This is 200. Jonathan will be, I think, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ports connected to the TP link. And then these two are using the wireless to connect to this. So if you are having mobile phones, if I connect my mobile phone right now, you will see that that one will also show. So you can connect, because we have Wi-Fi and mobile phone, you can also connect. And then you will get assigned. So I want to check the IP address assigned to my mobile phone right now. So let me check TP link. As for this one, I think you will see your better. So anytime you are connected to the TP link, it will assign IP address. So, so the IP address assigned to this phone is 7. So my mobile phone is last one is 7. So let's see. So mobile phone, the IP address, this is Infinix. My mobile phone is Infinix. IP address 192.168.0.7. So this one is connected using booking link. So let me use booking link to connect to this. So okay, so it means that anytime you can actually have 4 ports, but for the wireless devices, you can connect as many as you want. But the 4 port is limited. We cannot extend any other desktop unless you use laptop connect. So this is how the network we have in our organization or business center look like. So now they are all able to access the internet through this router, because this is the Vodafone router, as I showed you. And we can even check right now again. So this is the TP link, and then this is the router. So let me open it again. So you can see, let me check my data, whether I'm using data, more data here. Let me go and check it again. So you see, I've used, it was 1 GB, 600 megabyte. I've been able to use it up to 125 megabyte, 1 gig. So anytime you can check your Vodafone data and see your computers are using the internet. So if you think is you can actually disable it if you don't want to disable it. So let me log out of this router. So one thing that we will also be looking at is how you configure your router so that it doesn't allow the computers to access YouTube because I think I can pass this right now for you to understand. As I've connected this, if I don't want these computers to access any website, any let's say YouTube, because if they are using YouTube, they're going to consume a lot of data. So I have to actually disable that YouTube from the router so that they will not be able to access the YouTube. Right now, I'm just passing this one, maybe later I will throw more light on it. So right now, if I go to YouTube, I'll be able to open the YouTube. You can see I'll be able to open the YouTube. So YouTube is coming. But if I want to disable the YouTube, I can do that right now by logging in. So let me log in again. So you can see we have network settings here. Okay. Then we look for filter. So I'm going to look for filter. What we call filter, domain filter. So let me check domain filter here. Okay, let me check this one. It is very difficult to sometimes locate that some of the settings. So domain filter. I want to look for domain filter. Okay, so we have a router here. Let me look at this. Domain filter, you can see domain filter here. So what you see, block list. So I can add another one, then enter YouTube. So the YouTube is here. Let me copy YouTube here. So I don't make mistake. And then paste it here, save. Invalid entry. Domain name. Okay, let me do this one. It's save. So you can see that domain name filter list. So I have YouTube here and it's block list. So it means that right now I cannot open the YouTube. So let's go and open YouTube again and see. It's going to rotate and rotate and rotate and rotate. It won't open. See, it's not going to open. See, so all the workers cannot access the YouTube. If I block, see, it's still not coming. I'll block it. Let's see another one. Let's say Gmail. Gmail has opened. You see, so I'm able to open Gmail right now. But if I block Gmail right now, you will not be able to open. Going to dance and dance and dance like this. So you see, this one has opened. So if I want to block Gmail, I just go to this. The block list is here. So click on this one and then type www.gmail.com. They save. The moment you save, that is all. You can have opened it, but let me open it again and see whether it will open. So Gmail, yeah, it has opened. Let me check it well. It's not supposed to. www.gmail.com. Gmail. Yeah, I think it's Gmail. 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 Let me copy this one. Okay, you need five people. Gmail. Gmail. If you don't type the correct thing, it's not going to work. It's rather Gmail. So we're going to www.mail.google.com. Let me try again. Gmail.com. I'm not using the correct site. So that's why it's still opening. It's mail.google.com. Not supposed to be. Okay, let me try another one. Facebook. For this one, I don't think it's using the correct name. So let me use Facebook. So Facebook is opening. I'm going to use block this Facebook here and see www.facebook.com. So I'm going to open again and see what will happen. Facebook. Facebook. Like, I think I have to www.facebook. Something. Option. Okay. No. See the YouTube is actually not coming. You have to check YouTube. YouTube is straightforward. It's blocked because I think the Facebook. I can see Facebook having this one. Why is it Facebook? Okay. YouTube. Yes, that, okay, so Facebook too is not coming. So that is how you'll be able to block them from being open. So sometimes when you do it, you have to restart the router so that it takes effect. So let me delete them because I'm going to use YouTube. Let me delete all of them. So I'm not going to block them because I'm going to use them. Okay. So this is how you'll be able to set up your network. If you have router, then you have the modem. This is the modem, this is the router. In other words, the router modem, then we have the router switch. I'm using this one switch. So all these computers and Wi-Fi devices are connected to that to be able to access the internet. Okay. So, um, do you have any question with regard to the explanation of so this is what okay. So this is it. Do you have any question? this is the setup, network setup in our business center. This is how we set up our network. So every network has similar, every company has similar network. You can see how the configuration is done. So if you want to do the same thing, this is how we go about it. The cable that we have to know how to stream the cable and then look at the color coding for the cable. If you are using laptop which has the Wi-Fi, that one is easy to set up. Okay. Is there any question?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening. Sorry I joined late though. My alarm was I came back 2 hours ago and my alarm actually was ringing. I couldn't even hear it. Sorry I joined late.
Oh,
But
okay.
like no question from my side for now. I need to just find time to go to for the past 3 weeks. Have just been listening. I've not had the time to go to them. I just need time, like I said. So for now, no, I don't have any question.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mr. Pamela. Earlier informed me that the area is having more or less problem with the internet. So it goes and comes, it goes and comes. Okay. But no problem. I have recorded it. So I'm going to upload onto the YouTube, my YouTube channel. Anytime you can just go there and then you watch. So this is just a very simple configuration of our network we have here. So similarly, you can implement it in every organization.
Mm.
Thank you very much for your time. I'll meet you next week.
Yeah. Thank you. This chapter 2 there, I need to find time and go back to all of them.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay. Thank you.
welcome.
Mm. Okay, so next week then.
Okay.